Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the battle.net phone number error. This error usually happens when your phone number is not from the same region as your battle.net account. To fix it, you need to make sure that both your account region and your phone number region match. Start by opening your browser and going to your Blizzard account page. Sign in if needed. When the page loads, look for the section called Personal Information. On the top right of that section, you will see an Update button. Click on it. Blizzard will not let you change your region directly, so it will tell you to contact support to update your region. Click on the link that takes you to the support page. A new page will open. On this page, scroll until you find the link for the country change self-service. Click on it. Your battle.net balance must be below the minimum amount to qualify for a region change. Also, the balance may reset to zero after the region change. Support cannot convert your balance from one currency to another, so be sure you are okay with that before you continue. After this, the system will ask you to provide proof of residency. This can be a document that shows your name and your new address. Upload the required proof. When you submit it, Blizzard may take a few hours to a couple of days to review the request and change your region. Once your region is updated, go back to your account and add your phone number again. The phone number error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.